Okay, fun fact, realization हुआ I can't take the X23 bus. There it is. But I can't take it because it will drop me way too far and I can't risk that. So I'm gonna straight up take a taxi, get to the Dubai frame, and then we'll take like another to Burj Khalifa. Okay, तो basically अभी हुआ क्या कि X23 बस है ना जो वो इंटरनेशनल सिटी की तरफ जाती है और मैंने जस्ट मैप पे देखा इट्स सेड कि 5 स्टॉप्स आप जाओगे तो यूल रीच एंड देन इट्स बेसिकली लाइक यहाँ से वहाँ तक गए और वापस आए आधा रास्ता ऐसा वी शेप का और यहाँ पे है तो 1 घंटा लगेगा और मेरे पास 1 घंटा है नहीं तो मम्मी ने बोला कि जाओ चुपचाप टैक्सी में और देख लो जल्दी से करो फिर आई हैव टू मीट अ फैमिली फ्रेंड एज वेल दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव बीन सेइंग ऑल दिस टाइम सो या एंड दैट्स X23 राइट हियर ओके Okay, so like you just saw, that was the Dubai frame. उधर ही जा रहे हैं हम लोग बट घूम के जाना पड़ता है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इंडिया तो है नहीं कि बस घुमाएं और पहुंच गए. हाँ जी, आपको चैनल का नाम चाहिए? VHS Vlogs. ओके, सो फाइनली हम दुबई फ्रेम पहुँचे और टिकट लेने के लिए हमें वहाँ जाना है बट जस्ट सी हाउ अमेजिंग दिस ब्यूटी इज़ right behind me. I can't even get it in the stupid frame. Now there it is. This has to be by far the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. Burj Khalifa is next up on the list. So let's get inside first and then we'll see. Ticket कितने का मेरे को कोई idea नहीं है, but I'm definitely carrying enough money. So let's go. This is how the ticket looks. ये okay. For one adult, it's 52.5 dirhams. 50 dirhams is the ticket, 2.5 is the tax. Okay, so fun fact. Usually, हम लोग वहाँ पे फ़ोटो लेते हैं ना जो, you know how they have a green screen and they place the whole Dubai frame like behind you. Usually, I would go for that, but आज पता नहीं mood नहीं है, so I was like, yeah, whatever, I'm not gonna do it. Where do I go? Here. Thank you. That is beautiful. Oh my god, that is amazing. I am too loud. Okay, it's going to be impossible for me to be in the frame if I want to show you guys the views, but let's just have a look. This is, so obviously this is smart glass, very similar to Mahana Cone, except this thing, it just goes opaque and keeps coming back to transparent like every couple of seconds. Check this out. Do a quick history lesson. So this is 150 meters tall, high, and to the north you will see New Dubai, and I think to the south. Okay, quick question. To the north is old or new? New Dubai. This is north, that's south. Awesome. Thank you. So to the north you'll see New Dubai. To the south you'll see Old Dubai. Let's quickly go ahead and show you the views. Right. Okay, it seems we've had our fun and we've pretty much covered everything. Let's quickly head down, and I'll show you the scenes and everything while we go down. Oh my god, check this out. So all of these projections are being done obviously by projectors, but what they've done is they've put up these nanotech mechanisms, so it seems very futuristic while it isn't. And finally you come to Dubai in the future, where you still have to manually adjust your camera. There we go. Okay, so the flat viewing deck that we were standing on was actually lifted by 4 giant hydraulic jacks. Matlab, that's basically like these things over here. That. And they can each lift over 300 tons. And the entire process, नीचे से ऊपर तक, it took 2 days, 3.5 millimeters per second. Calculated and you'll find it. Now, secondly, the reason why this is such an architectural feat is because there's something called golden ratio. Any photographer or any artist or any architect out there, you all would already know about the golden ratio. In fact, there's an actor, I forget his name, Jensen Ackles. His face is very precise to the golden ratio, and that is why it's very proportionate. Now, this is how it looks, and the Dubai frame was made following the golden ratio. There's one last funny thing or cool thing that I need to show you guys. Check this out. See that? Boop, 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 boop. कहाँ गया? Fancy. Okay, there you are. Okay, that officially concludes our tour to the Dubai frame. It's a pencil. Okay, so there's these t-shirts here that I kind of like, but I don't know, I don't feel like buying them today. And the problem is that Shami gave me money, but उन्होंने mom को बोला नहीं है. So if I spend it, it will be very weird because mom will be like, why did you buy it and everything. And well, Shami will be like, ठीक है ना. How cute. Awesome. Okay, now for a final photo, which is going to be a video, probably the thumbnail of this video. Let's see. Can we have the whole Dubai frame in one frame? How funny is that? Ironic, isn't it? You can't get the Dubai frame in one frame. Oh, for heaven's sake. Nope. The architects definitely did not have taking pictures in mind. Okay, we might finally be able to get the whole Dubai frame in one frame. 3, 2, 1. Almost. Are you kidding me right now? This is so sad. There we go. How good does that look for a thumbnail? Alright guys, so as you all saw, Dubai frame का entry ticket was 52.5 dirhams, which I think is like pretty cool, worth it definitely. But itna kuch, if you like seeing like the scenery and everything and like the glass that you walk on, तो बहुत worth it है. अगर उसमें आपको ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो इतना आपको मज़ा नहीं आएगा. और वाह, अभियान तो मेर्सी बोकू. थैंक यू दुबई.